nanko omunye umuzi nginawo njengoba mina ngalobola ngashiya ngase ngilobola kabusha ngashada ngaba ne prenuptial contract my marriage was registered got divorced through the high court again
walobola futhi
imaphela ngicela ukuxoxa leyo yodwa musikhuluma indaba zami la
sorry kisho phela lo sorry
ngila manje uma ngiqancane story sami lezi wayesakho manje le story
ukukhola ngiyakhona sorry okay
so my answer to your question my premature answer to your question is the first time ulobola wanga divorce that is the marriage that has precedent over any other marriage you entered.
The
second marriage you not divorce
you have to borrow from the marriage. You have to borrow from the Marriage Act. Now, what I want to say is the second marriage you had entered basically counted as a polygamous marriage. If you didn't divorce, 100%.
Okay, Imagi,
so mina nginesithembu wena zona 9 zamngisho manje.
Usudivorce so usele nonkosikazi lo yedwa lo ngamdivorceanga
mayingcela
awunathi isithembo kwamanje kodwa kukhona isikhathi la wake wa operate njengomusa mseleko
and the reason why ngibale ukulobola khaya for the second time bengibuzela lokho ukuthi okay but obviously ulobolile la wase walobola ngala futhi shuthi fanele udivorce go 2 manje
you have to use the Divorce Act that's exactly what I'm saying you have to divorce from a marriage
so divorce ke enkantolo lewe lobola uyasala wona awucount as a divorce
hayi shema ayibuyi inkomo seyidliwe nawe phela vice versa
noma abakhongi sebashona nkosiyami
abadala yawona umzimba
abakhongi abasekho inkomo iphelile sibayeni nawe ngapha ubuphekelwa yabona it balances
siyaphike zolo uma sifuna ukudivorce imvula mlomo uvula amagate nelobola where do we go because I'm sure that's the most important question right now to anyone listening